Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Temu items without inviting friends. So firstly, you need to open any of the web browser and in the top there's this address bar, type down temu.com. So make sure you have signed into your account already. And the next is you need to go to your profile icon here. And from here, what you need to do is you need to select this coupons and offers here. So from here, you can simply select this get. And over here, you can simply select this get, and you also need to watch for the flash sales and limited time deals where some items are heavily discounted. Over here, you can go to the search icon in the top and type down sale and you need to enter it. Over here, you can find for the flash sales and limited time deals as well. And you can earn demo credit through eligible activities offered in the app, such as certain promotions or purchase-based rewards. If you purchase any of the items, and the next time you might get purchase-based rewards. And that is it. That is how you can get demo items without inviting friends. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.